Good evening, children. Good evening, online students.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening. Good evening, Sai Sadesh. Missing you in the class. Your naughtiness. Huh? All right. So this is the. I have shared my screen. Online children visible. Is my screen visible? Online
Yes,
children.
ma'am.
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Please take down the question, and I'm sure you can answer the first and the second subdivision. Subdivisions A and B, you can try it yourself. Refer to the previous answer. Good evening, Harsha. I just started the meeting, and this is the first question for today's class. Please take down the question.
Yes, ma'am.
And yeah, try to answer subdivisions A and B. So Hari Darshan, since you're new to the class, you can listen. I'll explain for you. So we need to find the value of root x minus 1 by root x, right? Okay, so simply square this expression whose value we have to find. You can look at the board, okay? No, you can listen to me and look at the board. Yeah, you have to see there, okay? Okay, don't write anything now. Just look at the board and try to understand. So we need to find the value of root x minus 1 by root x. Square it. Okay, so this is like a minus b the whole square. So a minus b the whole square is a square, that is root x the whole square, plus b square plus 1 by root x the whole square, minus 2 into a into b, minus 2 into a, that is root x, into b, 1 by root x. So we need to find the value of root x minus 1 by root x. Write that expression, square it, and expand it using the identity a minus b the whole square. And this is what we get. A square plus b square minus 2ab. So here cancels. And this is x plus 1 by x, because root x the whole square is x. 1 by root x the whole square is 1 by x minus 2. So we have root x minus 1 by root x the whole square is equal to x plus 1 by x minus 2. So we'll stop here. We need to get the value of x plus 1 by x. So we need to find the value of x plus 1 by x, which has to be substituted here. And further, this equation has to be worked or solved to find the value of root x minus 1 by root x. So we'll stop here. We'll just call this 1 and proceed to find the value of x plus 1 by x. Okay, so to find x plus 1 by x, you need the expressions for x and 1 by x. To find the value of x plus 1 by x, you need the expressions for x and 1 by x. X is already given to us in the question and it has a rational denominator. Okay, so we need to find 1 by x. What is 1 by x? 1 by 3 minus 2 root 2. So into 3 plus 2 root 2 by 3 plus 2 root 2. Okay, so we'll have to rationalize the denominator. So 1 by x is equal to okay. So we have 1 by x is equal to, multiply the numerators. So 3 plus 2 root 2 divided by, multiply the denominators. A minus b into a plus b is a square minus b square minus 2 root 2 the whole square. Right? Now next step, 1 by x is equal to the numerator as it is 3 plus 2 root 2 divided by 3 square is 9 and 2 root 2 the whole square is 2 root 2 into 2 root 2. 2 into 2 is 4. Root 2 into root 2 is 2. So 4 2s are 8 minus 8. So 1 by x is equal to 3 plus 2 root 2. Now let's find x plus 1 by x. X plus 1 by x is equal to, x is 3 minus 2 root 2. 3 minus 2 root 2. It's given to us in the question. X is equal to 3 minus 2 root 2 given to us in the question. Now 1 by x is this one. 1 by 3 minus 2 root 2. But the denominator is irrational. So we do perform the, this procedure to rationalize the denominator. So this is x plus 1 by x, 3 plus 2 root 2. So we have x plus 1 by x is equal to 6. 3 plus 3, 6. The value of x plus 1 by x is 6. Now go back to this equation 1. All right, going back to equation 1. So root x minus, you can just call this, you can just call this one 2. You can just call this 2 and say using 2 in 1. In 1 we get, or we have, using this 2 in 1 we have. So go back to 1. Root x minus 1 by root x the whole square is equal to, what do we have? X plus 1 by x. And what's the value of x plus 1 by x? 6. Minus 2. So minus 2. Root x minus 1 by root x the whole square is equal to 4. So root x minus 1 by root x is equal to the square root of 4, which is 2. Yeah, write down. I can repeat the procedure. Okay, see, we need to find the value of root x minus 1 by root x. Square that expression and expand it using the identity a minus b the whole square. So you get root x the whole square, a square, plus b square, 1 by root x the whole square, minus 2ab, minus 2 into root x into 1 by root x. See, we have to find the value of this expression, right? So you take up that, square it, and you expand it. All you're doing by yourself. By yourself meaning there is no instruction in the question that you have to do this. But to find the value of this expression, just write that square and expand using the identity a minus b the whole square. And that brings you to this equation 1. Stop there, because to proceed, you need the value of x plus 1 by x. To proceed with this 1, you need the value of x plus 1 by x. So we stop there. We just call that equation 1. And we proceed to find the value of x plus 1 by x. X is 3 minus 2 root 2 is given to us in the question. So we need to find 1 by x, which is 1 by 3 minus 2 root 2. The denominator is irrational. The denominator of 1 by x is irrational. So rationalize the denominator using the conjugate. So that's what you see here till here. So 1 by x is equal to 3 plus 2 root 2. So now we have 1 by x with a rational denominator, which is 3 plus 2 root 2 by 1. Okay. Now find x plus 1 by x. Find the value of x plus 1 by x. X is given to us in the question. X is given to us in the question. 1 by x, we just found with the rational denominator. So x plus 1 by x is equal to 6. 3 plus 3, 6. Now use this 2. Use 2 in 1. Use 2 in 1. What is that? Use 2 in 1. X plus 1 by x is equal to 6, right? So use this value in 1. So using 2 in 1, we have, what is 1? Root x minus 1 by root x the whole square is equal to, can you see that? Is equal to x plus 1 by x. What's x plus 1 by x? 6. minus 2. So 6 minus 2, 4. So root x minus 1 by root x is equal to the square root of 4, which is 2, plus or minus 2, or simply 2. Both ways fine. Yeah, please write down. Use the same procedure to find the value of root x plus 1 by root x. Same procedure. Square, expand, same procedure. Do it. Finished. Try the next one. Root x plus 1 by root x. Done this one, online children? And here? Okay.
Just a second, ma'am. Just a
Okay,
second.
okay. Okay.
Done, ma'am.
Yeah. Done, children? No, no, yeah. Yeah. Try the next one, no? Root x plus 1 by root x. Similar procedure. Just start, Smriti. I've numbered two equations, right? 1 and 2. Yeah, what is the value of x plus 1 by x? We had 6, right? We have used that value in 1. What? Go back to equation 1. Root x plus 1 by root x minus 1 by root x the whole square is equal to what? X plus 1 by x, right? Oh, you haven't marked then. I think you have not marked. See, have you marked this as 1? Yeah, so here we have, right, x plus 1 by x. What's the value of x plus 1 by x we have here? 6. So we're using this value, I've called this equation 2. We're using this result we've got here in 2 in equation 1. What is the value of x plus 1 by x? 6, right? So here we use that value 6 plus 2, sorry, minus 2. It's here, minus 2. Okay. Okay. Next one. x to the power 4 plus 1 by x to the power 4. Yeah, what's your question? For B, 2 root 2. Finished?
Ma'am, I have a doubt.
Yes, Shreya?
How come root 8 equals 2 root 2?
Okay. 8 is 2 into 2 into 2, right?
Yes.
Correct?
Okay, yes, okay.
Okay. Now in C, we have to find C, we have to find what? The value of x to the power 4 plus 1 by x to the power 4, right? Okay. Now for this, you first take up this equation x plus 1 by x is equal to 6. Here, take up this equation x plus 1 by x is equal to 6 and square this on both the sides. Okay, so squaring on both sides. Squaring on both sides, we have x plus 1 by x the whole square is equal to 6 square. Now expand this. Tell me, Surya. Yes. X. Very good. Is equal to? No, darling. Is equal to 6 square 36. Okay. So x squared plus 1 by x squared is equal to, what do we have here? 2, no? Goes to the other side as minus 2. So 36 minus 2. Yeah, so x squared plus 1 by x squared is equal to 34. Now square this equation on both the sides. X squared plus 1 by x squared is equal to 34. Now square this on both the sides. Squaring on both sides. Okay. So x squared plus 1 by x squared, the whole square, is equal to 34 square. Now expand. A plus b the whole square is equal to a square. So x squared, correct? Continue, children. Complete this and find, that's it. When you finish this, you will see that you have found the value of x to the power 4 plus 1 by x to the power 4. Finish it, yeah. Yeah. Second, you've gone wrong somewhere. That, yeah, I think you're confused because you have written the 2 here. No? So x, and moreover, see, you have not presented the answer the way I have presented it. You can see you've squared this here, right? And you should continue equal to, you should continue. Yeah, that's one thing. And so this looks like an expression for you. Actually, it's an equation. You have written this below, like it's an expression below. Yeah, you should not. The presentation is incorrect. It's not the same as what I have done here. See, see, you must write this in one line. It's an equation where you have squared this and written the result in the next step. So you're treating this as an expression. So it's like an expression for you here. So you're like, that's the reason why you're not able to comprehend the answer or the steps. You should present it the way it's here. So here you can see root x minus 1 by root x the whole square is equal to root x plus 1 by root x the whole square is equal to x plus 1 by x plus 2. It's an equation. Root x plus 1 by root x the whole square is equal to x plus 1 by x plus 2. It's an equation. So we find the value of x plus 1 by x, and that is a 6. See, you have written x plus 1 by x the whole square is 6 plus 2. Continuity, that's why you had asked me that doubt. The presentation is incorrect. Okay. Yeah. See, once you understand, please write because it's new, right? Yeah, so you need to practice from the board. Write the same thing. At home, you can try to do it by yourself. Don't try that in the class. See, once you understand, you're trying to do it by yourself in the class. No, it's completely new to you, right? So I don't think you can duplicate the steps which you see on the board in your book by yourself. You have to look at the board and write so that you have the answer correctly with the right presentation, and that will help you to practice at home. இப்படி நீங்க இங்க எழுதினீங்கன்னாக்கா இப்ப வீட்டுல போனா இது புரியவே புரியாது. Good that you asked me now. Otherwise, if you see this at home, then you will not be able to understand anything. Presentation should be exactly like what you see here. Okay. Just take down the answer. Maybe I'll just come to you when the others are doing a different sum. I'll come back to you and work this again. Both the friends actually. Not always, but you mostly write by yourself. So there you can go wrong in the way you present the answer. So see, this difference in the presentation makes it difficult to understand the answer. Yeah, please write as you see on the board. Yeah. What's 34 into 34? Nobody's found, huh? A, B, C, these are repetitions. Actually, we have done similar questions in the last class. Yeah. Yeah, finished? Finished? Netra? Online children, finished writing?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Okay, so let's factorize. Let's factorize x to the power 4 minus 1 by x to the power 4 and find out what values we need to find the value of this expression x to the power 4 minus 1 by x to the power 4. So now this can be expressed as x square the whole square minus 1 by x square the whole square. X to the power 4, right? So x square the whole square minus 1 by x to the power 4, 1 by x square the whole square. So you can express it in the form a squared minus b squared, which can be factorized as a plus b into a minus b, a minus b. A is x squared and b is 1 by x squared. A plus b, x squared plus 1 by x squared, a minus b, x squared minus 1 by x squared. Now further, you can write the minus first, 1 minute. Yeah, because this can be further factorized. I'll write the minus first. Yeah. So x squared minus 1 by x squared can be further factorized as x plus 1 by x into x minus 1 by x. So this expression is a product of these three expressions. This expression is a product of these three expressions. I'll do this again. See here. X to the power 4 minus 1 by x to the power 4 is equal to x to the power 4 can be written as x squared the whole square. 1 by x to the power 4 can be written as 1 by x squared the whole square. Now this is of the form a squared minus b squared, where a is x squared and b is 1 by x squared. So a square minus b square is a minus b into a plus b, a minus b into a plus b. Now this can be further factorized because again this is of the form a square minus b square. So a plus b, x plus 1 by x into a minus b, x minus 1 by x into x square plus 1 by x square. Now, we've already found the value of x plus 1 by x, 6. And we also know the value of x square plus 1 by x square, here, 34. So we only need to find the value of x minus 1 by x. We only need to find the value of x minus 1 by x. So in such cases, what you can do is you can just stop here. You can just number this. Call this a or 1. Stop there. Now find the value of x minus 1 by x. X is given to us in the question, 3 minus 2 root 2. X is 3 minus 2 root 2. 1 by x is 3 plus 2 root 2. Minus. X is 3 minus 2 root 2. And 1 by x is 3 plus 2 root 2. Now this is x minus 1 by x. So 3 minus 2 root 2 minus 3 minus 2 root 2 plus 3 minus 3, 0. Minus 2 root 2 minus 2 root 2 is minus 4 root 2. So the value of x minus 1 by x is equal to minus 4 root 2. Now, using equation 1, we get what do we have? X to the power 4 minus 1 by x to the power 4 is equal to, what is it? X plus 1 by x. What's the value of x plus 1 by x? 6 into x minus 1 by x is minus 4 root 2 into x squared plus 1 by x squared, 34. So x to the power 4 minus 1 by x to the power 4 is equal to the product 34 into 24. 816 root 2 minus 816 root 2. Yeah, write down. Completed this one, children? Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Yeah. Done, children?
No, ma'am, no.
Hmm? Yeah.
Done, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. Yeah. Try this. You see, have we done this earlier? Hmm? Okay. Try this one, children. See, I'll present the answer. If you want to take help, online children from the screen, same question. Similar we have done. Yeah. Similar we have done. That's what I asked you. Have we done the same question earlier? No, please check that. I don't know. Similar, yes, we have done. No, okay. So tell me, Netra, what's the common denominator? That's the common denominator. Let me write the given question. 2 root 5 plus root 3 by 2 root 5 minus root 3 is plus 2 root 5 minus root 3 by 2 root 5 plus root 3 is equal to a plus root 15b. Yeah. What's the common denominator? Multiply the denominators here. 2 root 5, not the conjugate. Whatever you see in the denominator, 2 root 5 minus root 3 into 2 root 5 plus root 3. That's the common denominator. Sorry? This is the common denominator. Now you need to multiply this numerator with what? This numerator with what? What is that you have in the denominator here? 2 root 5 minus root 3. But this is the common denominator. Okay, this one is here. So this is not there. No, so multiply that to the numerator. Which method? Taking it separately, yeah? Yeah, you can. You can. Now you will do this one. You can try that. You can leave some space and try that at home. See, Netra, this is the denominator you have here, but this is the common denominator. Which one is missing? This one, right? So multiply the numerator with this expression. So what do you have in the numerator already? 2 root 5 plus root 3. And you need to multiply that with 2 root 5 plus root 3. So what will that give you? You're multiplying the numerator with the same thing. Whole square, correct. 2 root 5 plus root 3, the whole square. Now compare the denominator in the next term. What's the denominator here? 2 root 5 plus root 3. But what's the common denominator we have taken up? This one. So this one is out here. So what's not there? This one. So multiply the numerator with this. What's the numerator here already? 2 root 5 minus root 3. You need to multiply that with 2 root 5 minus root 3, meaning multiply the numerator with itself. So what would you get? The whole square. And the right hand side, just write it as it is equal to a plus root 15b. Yeah. Now next step, you need to expand. What is a plus b the whole square? A square. So 2 root 5 the whole square plus b square root 3 the whole square plus, yeah, so 2 into 2 root 5 into root 3. Correct? Next plus, correct. Next. Now we'll write a square plus b square minus 2ab, right? Minus divided by the denominators of the form a minus b into a plus b. So by the identity we have a squared minus b squared. Two root 5 the whole squared minus, yeah, is equal to, you need to write, continue, is equal to what? A plus root 15b. Don't write it below. I don't have space there, so I'm writing it here. Continue the same line, is equal to a plus root 15b. Write down so far. And now continue after this. Write down so far and continue. Now it's only about simplifying. அதாவது காம்படிஷன்ஸ் வந்து ஸ்லோ சைக்கிளிங்லாம் இருக்கும். அது ரொம்ப கஷ்டம். அது மாதிரி ஸ்லோ ரைட்டிங் நீங்க பண்ணிட்டு இருக்கீங்க. What are you doing? Fast. Yeah, who's found the answer? Lakshana? Shreya? Sai Siddharth? What are the values of A and B? Yes, Lakshana, you want to say? Share your answer. Not audible, dear. Okay, if possible, you can send a picture of your answer on WhatsApp, Lakshana. (94 by 7). Okay. So on simplifying, you get what is 2 root 5 the whole square? 20. 20 plus 9. No, 3, sorry. Then plus 4 root 15 plus 4 root 15 plus 20 plus 3 minus 4 root 15. The whole upon 20 minus 3, right? Correct, correct. Is equal to A plus 15 root B. A plus, not 15 root B, sorry, root 15B. So 40 plus 6, 46. எதை cancel பண்ணல? அப்ப எப்படி அது? How did you handle them? So, okay, 46. 46 by 17 is equal to A plus root 15B. So now there is no root 15 term at all. So 46 by 17 plus 0 root 15 is equal to A plus B root 15. Yeah, see, to compare the LHS and RHS, in the RHS you have two terms, right? You have A, which is rational, and root 15B, which is irrational. But on the left-hand side, we have only one value, which is rational. So A is equal to 46 by 17. A is equal to 46 by 17. Now there is no value in the left-hand side to be compared with root 15B. So there is no value, right? So we'll just take it as 0 root 15. What is 0 root 15? 0. 0 root 15 is 0. Correct? In the right-hand side, we have two terms. A is a rational term, root 15B is a irrational term. But on the left-hand side, we have only one term. We need two terms because right-hand side two terms, then left-hand side also we should have two terms. Only then you can compare the rational with the rational, the irrational with the irrational. So on comparing the rational with the rational, A is equal to 46 by 17. So since we don't have an irrational term in the left-hand side, we'll write it as 0 root 15. So now compare the rational with rational. So A is 46 by 17. The irrational with the irrational. So B root 15 is equal to 0 root 15. Root 15 cancel. So B is equal to 0. Yeah, I do. Which method? You got 46 by Actually, there also you have to put it together, no? Then how did you cancel 4 root 15 and minus 4 root 15 there? There also you have to cancel. Oh, I'll tell you something. I think you didn't write the 2ab term there. You didn't write, no? You've just written a square plus b square. No, I don't know. I'm just guessing. So you've not written the 2ab term. So you got 20 plus 3 in the numerator by 17. Other side also you got 20 plus 3 by 17. Correct? Yeah. Strong. Okay. Finished? Okay. Shreya, Siddharth, and Lakshana, can we go to the next one?
Done, ma'am. Yeah, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, see, children, in today's class, I'm not taking much efforts to explain because these are situations we've seen and understood earlier. See, because, you're online and your parents or somebody might be watching me do the class, no? So maybe it's like, what is this? She's not explaining anything, just presenting and asking you to work. Please tell them that we've already seen these situations earlier and that you have to think and get work the solution. And you have to ask me. If you have any question, you have to ask me. Yeah. Please tell me if we have done this question earlier, children. Please check if we have done this earlier. I don't think.
No, ma'am, we haven't done it.
Yeah. So this is a test question. Try this. Is okay. No, darling. Lakshana, I can make out that you're trying to unmute to share your answer, but you're not audible. Sorry about that. I'm happy that you want to share your answer, but you're not audible, dear. All right. You can see the solution here. So you can see the common denominator. Just multiply the denominators. That's a common denominator. Now here we have, see, first write out the question. This is the question given. Write out that. Then the common denominator. Next step, common denominator. Now, in the first term, we have the denominator is 4 root 5 minus root 3. 4 root 5 minus root 3. So you need to multiply the numerator with 4 root 5 plus root 3. The numerator is 3. So multiply that with 4 root 5 plus root 3. Then this plus, we have 2 here. You need to multiply 2 with, what's the denominator here? 4 root 5 plus root 3. 4 root 5 plus root 3. So you need to multiply the numerator 2 with the 4 root 5 minus root 3. 4 root 5 minus root 3. Yes or no? Is equal to, write the right hand side as it is. A root 5 plus B root 3. Okay, so multiply 3 into 4 root 5 is 12 root 5. 3 into root 3 is 3 root 3. 2 into 4 root 5 is 8 root 5. And 2 into minus root 3 is minus 2 root 3. Divided by denominator a minus b into a plus b, a squared minus b squared, RHS as it is. Now, 12 root 5 plus 8 root 5 is 20 root 5. 12 root 5 plus 8 root 5 is 20 root 5. Because 12 plus 8 is 20, 20 root 5. 3 root 3 minus 2 root 3 is root 3 plus root 3 divided by, this is 20 and this is 3. So, sorry, 4 4s are 16. 16 5s are 80. I said 20 by mistake, sorry. 4 4s are 16. 16 5s are 80. Minus 3, root 3 squared is 3. 80 minus 3, which is 77. Right? So you can write this as 20 root 5 by 77 plus root 3 by 77. So now when you compare both sides, A is equal to 20 by 77 and B is equal to 1 by 77. Yeah, you've got the answer. Very good. Okay. Come here, let me see. Good. இவ்வளோ கம்மியா எழுத முடியுமா? பரவாயில்ல, good, but இந்த ரைட் ஹேண்ட் சைட்லாம் எழுதணும். Very good. Good, good. Can we go to the next one?
Just a second, ma'am.
Oh. Oh, sorry. I'm not presenting it all. Yes.
Done, ma'am.
Good. Yeah, let me know if we have done this earlier. No, right? No, yeah. This also, I don't have to explain. You can help yourself. Completed?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Finished? Siddesh, finished writing?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Yeah. This is the next slide. Finish the earlier one, Surya. Okay. Which one? Where are you writing? Step 3, huh? You can finish it yourself. Okay. No, I think the others should wait. Finish it, finish it. Any questions? Surya? What about yourself? Siddesh? Not Siddesh. Haridarshan? Netra? Online children?
No doubts, ma'am.
Okay. So here we'll have to take up each part in the left-hand side. So this should be worked in step 1, this in step 2, step 3, step 4, and step 5. Take each part in the left-hand side separately, rationalize the denominator, and have the results. Now in step 6, so you need 5 steps because 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we rationalize the denominators in 5 different steps. And in step 6, put everything together, put the answers together. So the answer you got in step 1 minus the answer you got in step 2 plus the answer you got in step 3 minus the answer you got in step 4 plus the answer you got in step 5. So you can see I've used bracket everywhere. Step 1 answer minus step 2 answer plus step 3 answer minus step 4 answer plus step 5 answer. And when there's a minus outside the bracket, minus into root 8 is minus root 8 and minus into plus minus root 7. Be careful. When there's a minus outside the bracket, the terms inside the bracket will take their opposite sign. Be careful, and then you can see the result of this expression simplifies to 5. And that's what we had to prove. Show that the value of this expression is 5. Done? Okay. Can we go to the next one? Online children?
Yes, ma'am.
I think we finished this one, right? Hmm? Sure. Okay. We'll do this one. Yeah, please try this. Haridarshan, you must finish it by the next class. Okay. Next class குள்ள நீங்க வீடியோஸ் எல்லாம் பார்த்துட்டு அதுல இருக்கிற நோட்ஸ் எல்லாம் கம்ப்ளீட் பண்ணிருக்கணும். I'll check your book on Tuesday. எல்லா வீடியோஸும் பார்த்துட்டு அந்த வீடியோஸை நீங்க என்னெல்லாம் whatever is explained அந்த நோட்ஸ் எல்லாமும் நீங்க புக்ல எழுதிருக்கணும். Done writing, online students?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So here we need to first find 1 by x. X already has a rational denominator. X is given to us in the question with a rational denominator. We need to find 1 by x. 1 by x, the denominator is irrational, so we rationalize it. And here we have 1 by x with a rational denominator. So now we have x with a rational denominator, 1 by x also with a rational denominator. Next is to find x plus 1 by x. X plus 1 by x. So here we have x plus 1 by x. Common denominator 2. And the value of x plus 1 by x is 10. 5 plus 5, 10. 10 by 2, 5. The value of x plus 1 by x is 5. So we need the value of x plus 1 by x, or we need this equation, x plus 1 by x is equal to 5. We need this equation to find the values of x squared plus 1 by x squared and x cubed plus 1 by x cubed. All right, now we found x plus 1 by x. This one, we found x plus 1 by x. Now we'll square this on both the sides. X plus 1 by x is equal to 5, right? So we'll square this on both the sides and find the value of x squared plus 1 by x squared, 23. Now we'll again take up this equation x plus 1 by x is equal to 5 and cube it on both the sides to find the value of x cubed plus 1 by x cubed. And here you can see x plus 1 by x is substituted with 5. X plus 1 by x is 5. So x and x cancels, 3 into 5. Okay. So I said take up the same equation x plus 1 by x is equal to 5 and cube it on both the sides to find the value of x cubed plus 1 by x cubed. Now we have to prove that the value of this expression is 0. We have found the values of the expressions here. X cubed plus 1 by x cubed is 110. X squared plus 1 by x squared is 23. And x plus 1 by x is 5. So substitute. And when you simplify, it's 0. So we proved that the value of this expression is 0. Saraswati, how do you expand a plus b the whole cubed? Can I? Yeah. No. Netra? Surya? No. Online children? Expand a plus b the whole cubed. A plus b the whole cubed is equal to a cubed plus b cubed plus 3ab into a plus b. A plus b the whole cubed is equal to a cubed plus b cubed plus 3ab into a plus b. And what is a minus b the whole cubed? It's a cubed minus b cubed minus 3ab into a minus b. Please memorize, remember them. That's what you say here. A cubed plus b cubed plus 3 into a into b into a plus b. So in 3ab, x in the numerator, x in the denominator gets cancelled, and x plus 1 by x, the value is 5. So 3 into 5, 15. On the other side, minus 15. So x cube plus 1 by x cube is equal to 110. Finish writing, online students?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, good. So now here in this question, we need to find the value of x squared plus y squared plus xy. X squared plus y squared plus xy. All right. Yeah, we'll do this together. Tell me. Now the expressions for x and y, do they have a rational denominator? No. So let's first rationalize. Before we, try to find the value of x squared plus y squared plus xy, we'll make sure that x and y have rational denominators. They don't have actually. So we'll rationalize the denominators of x and y. X is equal to root 2 plus 1 by root 2 minus 1. So into what? Root 2 by, yeah. So x is equal to root 2 plus 1 the whole squared by root 2 the whole squared minus 1 the whole squared. So x is equal to, expand the numerator, a plus b the whole square is a squared plus b squared plus 2 into a into b by 2 minus 1. So x is equal to 2 plus 1 plus 2 root 2 by 1. So you can just ignore that. So x is equal to 3 plus 2 root 2, correct? Yeah. Write the question, work for x and then work for y by yourself. 3? Correct. All right. Now we have to find the value of x squared plus y squared plus xy. We have to find the value of x squared plus y squared plus xy. Now, what is x squared plus y squared plus 2xy? What is that? What is x squared plus y squared plus 2xy? What is x squared plus y squared plus 2xy? It's nothing but x plus y the whole square, right? X plus y the whole square, correct? X plus y the whole square. So what we'll do, we'll just find the value of x plus y. What's x? 3 plus 2 root 2. X plus y is equal to, x is 3 plus 2 root 2. And y is 3 minus 2 root 2 plus 3 minus 2 root 2. So the value of x plus y is equal to 6. Okay, now I was telling you, we have to evaluate x squared plus y squared plus xy. So if you had x squared plus y squared plus 2xy plus 2xy, but for that you need another xy, right? For 2xy you need another xy. So you want another xy so that you can write it as 2xy. But when you add something, subtract the same thing. So it's like you're adding 0. See, you wish x squared plus y squared plus xy. You wish it were x squared plus y squared plus 2xy. Now for that, you need another xy. So see here, x squared plus y squared plus xy. You need another xy so that it becomes 2xy. But when you add xy, whatever you add, you subtract the same thing. So the net effect is 0. When you add xy and subtract xy, it's like you're adding 0. So you're not changing the value of the expression given. So now this becomes x squared plus y squared plus 2xy. Correct? Correct? Minus xy. So this is nothing but x plus y the whole square minus xy. So we'll also find xy. What is xy? Xy is 3 plus 2 root 2 into 3 minus 2 root 2. So this is a plus b into a minus b, which is a squared minus b squared, which is 9 minus 8, 1. I'll just work this again for you so that it's clear. The same thing. I'll just work this again for you. So 9 minus 8, which is 1. Right? Okay. So x squared plus y squared plus xy. You wanted xy to be 2xy. You want the xy to be 2xy, for which you need another xy. Add xy, subtract xy. Okay. So this is x square plus y square plus 2xy. Now you got what you wanted, and this minus xy and xy is 2xy. xy plus xy is 2xy, and this minus xy as it is. Now the first three terms make x plus y the whole square. The first three terms make x plus y the whole square minus xy. Now what's the value of x plus y? 6. So 6 square minus xy. What's xy? 1. So 36 minus 1, 35. So the value of the expression x square plus y square plus xy is 35. All right? Yeah. We worked x and y, right? Completed this one. Rationalize the denominators of x and y. Okay. Finished? Yeah, just take down this working, go through this. We'll understand this in the next class. Write down this fast. Since we don't have time to discuss, we'll do that in the next class. As of now, just copy the answer from the screen, the board. Finished? Yeah, you can do it. Online children, finish writing?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Siddesh, if you're done, you can leave the meeting. Thank you, Siddesh.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you. Completed? Yeah, you can leave. Thank you. Yeah, you can leave.